In this video, we will discuss CV writing tips for computer operators, and I will also discuss some important skills that you must add into your CV to make it impressive for CV readers and hiring managers. So let's start. Okay, I am having a CV writing sample for computer operator, and the main important part of your CV is the objective statement of your CV because this puts a lasting impression to the CV readers. For example, you can state that you are a dedicated and detail oriented computer operator with some years of experience in managing computer systems and ensuring smooth operations. And you are seeking a challenging position as a computer operator to utilize your technical expertise and contribute to efficiency and productivity of the organization. After that, you will mention your education, like your degrees, certifications, diploma with institution and university name from where you have obtained the education related to computer. Then there comes the technical skills. Technical skills is the main important part of your CV, and it should be such that the hiring manager should consider all of your skills while hiring. Some important skills you can add that you are good with operating systems like with Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. You are good with hardware troubleshooting and maintenance. You are an expert with network configuration and troubleshooting. You are good with establishing backup and recovery solutions. You are good with software installation and configuration. You are good with data entry and management. You are good with printer and peripheral device management. And you are proficient in Microsoft Suite. Then there comes your professional experience uh, that you have served or presented in your previous organization. You will state company name with its city and state. Then there comes the computer operator designation and start year to end year and all of responsibilities that you provided there. For example, you monitored and maintained computer system, ensuring optimal performance and uptime. You installed and configured software applications. You conducted regular backups of the critical data. You troubleshoot hardware and software issues. You assisted user with technical support. You managed network configuration. You conducted routine maintenance tasks. You oversaw inventory of computer equipment and supplies. You prepared and maintained documentation of the system configuration. And in addition to the experience, you can also state that you were working as a data entry clerk from starting year to end year with the company name, and you can state that you enter data accurately and efficiently into the company database. You verify data for accuracy and completeness. You assisted in organization and maintaining electronic and paper files. You perform general administrative tasks as assigned. Now there comes the skills. You can state that you possess strong technical knowledge of computer system, including its hardware and software, attention to detail and ability to follow instruction precisely. You are excellent problem solving and troubleshooting person. You possess strong organizational and time management abilities. You are you possess effective communication and interpretation skills. You possess ability to work independently as well as in team environment. You possess flexibility and adaptability to changing priorities and work demands. And in the end, there comes the references. If you are having a good educational reference, you can add in your CV. And if you are not having a good reference, you can just say that the references will be available on request. Thank you for watching. You can subscribe this channel for more.